Bullet trains run at speeds above 300 km per hour. Early high-speed trains created a loud boom when entering tunnels. At high speed, the train suddenly compresses air inside the tunnel, creating a powerful pressure wave. That compressed air shoots out of the tunnel exit, producing a shockwave-like tunnel boom. Engineers solved this using biomimicry, inspired by the kingfisher bird that dives into water without creating a splash. Modern bullet trains now feature long aerodynamic noses that gradually push air into the tunnel, reducing pressure buildup. Combined with tunnel vents and smart tunnel design, trains glide through quietly, delivering ultra-fast, ultra-smooth travel.